Hi everyone, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make videos on Likee. For that, first of all, open up your Likee app on your phone. After you open up your app, on bottom middle section you'll see a video icon. Tap on it. Before taking a video, you can switch your camera. You can set duration and countdown. You can set playback speed. You can select the ratio of the video according to your preference. You can beautify your video by softening, whitening, clarity, slimming, and there you'll see many other options. Choose as you desire. And you can also add filters on your video. Now to take video, you'll have to tap and hold on the pink circle. After you have taken the video, you can simply tap on the tick icon which is on bottom right. Now what you can do is you can select music according to your preference. You can turn on the enhancement. You can again add filters. You can also add text to your video. And you can select a video cover. If you want to add more filters, tap on touch magic and you can select any according to your preference. You can also add mix effects to your videos. After you are done, tap on the next button which is on bottom right. You can add descriptions, you can add hashtag, and you can also tag a friend. You can also change your privacy from public to private, and you can also give permission to the people to duet your video, save your video, or comment on it. And when you are done, tap on the post button which is on bottom right. It will take few seconds to upload the video. To watch the video, you'll have to go to your profile icon and there you'll see the video. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.